Do you have a receipt for all this stuff?
I do on my Gmail.
Did they give you a receipt for it?
I didn't ask for one. You're arresting me when I have a receipt.
You don't
on my
have a
Gmail
receipt.
And you won't let me find it.
We know you don't have a receipt.
I do.
We know you don't have a receipt.
You won't let me find it.
She walked in, she loaded up, and then she walked straight out the front door without paying for a single thing. The loss prevention team watched her for 45 minutes. The officer was already waiting, and when they told her she was under arrest, what happens next is caught on full body cam.
Hi, what's your first name again? Candy. Do me a favor, step over here real quick. Do you have a receipt for all this stuff?
I do on my Gmail.
On your Gmail? Just do me a favor, just step over here for 1 second. We got to figure this out because we're saying we didn't pay for this. You have it on your Gmail?
Sir, what's your relations are?
I'm a Lyft driver.
You're just a Lyft driver? Okay.
Yeah.
We've met before, right? Where are you from?
Patterson,
No? All right, I'm on.
I believe.
How did you pay for the items?
Huh?
How did you pay for the items?
It's my first time card. I have it,
Did you go to a register?
Yes, I did.
You did? Which register did you go to?
Self-checkout.
Self-checkout? Okay. And what do? You scan it, or what does it look like?
I'm able to type it in my first time card.
Okay. You have a license ID with you?
My ID?
Yeah.
No.
You don't have one at all, or you don't have it with you?
I don't have it with me.
Okay. You have an ID, though? The bottle of alcohol, did you do it over here?
Yeah. Before they close.
What register? You paid for everything at that register?
What, the liquor?
Yeah.
No. I just paid for the liquor over there, and then I paid for the rest of it at self-checkout.
How'd you pay for the liquor?
Use my money.
Cash, or
Cash was like $20.
did they give you a receipt for it?
I didn't ask for one.
What's your first name?
Candy.
C-A-N-D-Y?
I.
Is that your legal name?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
22.
What's your last name?
House.
H-O-U-S-E?
Yes.
Middle initial?
D.
And what's your home address now? Phone number?
You're checking to see if I have a warrant? I don't.
Okay. We'll find out. I got other stuff. You go ahead and get the story from Sean.
Didn't check out, just pushed right out the front door.
Okay. Yeah, she's
did the same thing back in the end of March.
Yeah, she looks familiar. I've definitely dealt with her.
Yeah.
So, yeah, she said she paid with an EBT card. So we'll get let's get this stuff out of the court here,
Yep.
and then we'll have them ring it up, and we'll go from
Yeah,
there. Right?
Anthony can hang out and they can do a store receipt.
Is she trespassed from here?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever had.
All right.
Never dealt with her. I recognize her from prior.
Yeah. What what drew you into her? Just the priors, or
We had some stuff missing from our home entertainment. I think like a crock pot. We viewed it back and it was her. That was a couple months back.
got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So you just recognized her when
I
she came in
recognized
and
she was
just
yellow
followed her.
shoes.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right. And then just pushed out, never stopped at a point
Yeah,
of
I was
sale
watching her for
either.
about past 45 minutes. Load up everything.
Got it.
Right out the front door.
Okay, sounds good. Let me just run her stuff, and we'll get this going here.
That's it.
What did we just purchase? Bags?
What else?
Yeah, bags and those loose things over there.
What else?
Hers. Paper towels are hers, and the hot pockets, the hefty.
What else?
And that also.
Tissues.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it. Everything's
All right.
upstairs.
All right.
I got his DL.
You got his Yep.
You're good to go.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Yep.
All right. What do you have on you? Besides your cell phone? Your wallet or anything? A wallet? Okay, thanks.
Yep. I'll be right back in. Yep.
Because you're under arrest.
Shoplifting.
And then I have a receipt in my Gmail, like I said.
You don't have a receipt.
Yes, I do. I'm looking for it now.
You don't have a receipt.
I do.
Our
Why are you-
loss prevention just watched you push the card.
I wouldn't
out
lie.
of the front
Just don't lie.
door. All right. Hand him your phone. Turn around, put your hand on
I'm gonna call my brother.
you can call from our headquarters.
Excuse you?
No.
No,
Listen,
you're
that's
not.
Don't resist, then you'll catch a bad charge instead of just a shoplifter
Why
charge.
can't I call my brother? and let him
Because
know?
you're under
You
arrest.
can call from our headquarters.
You're under
on a
arrest.
recorded line phone. Don't resist. I'm telling you, it's the last thing you want
Stop.
to do. Don't resist.
Why are you touching me?
Because you're
Because
under
you're
arrest.
under arrest. You're gonna do this the hard way. You're
arresting me when I have a receipt.
You don't
in my
have a
Gmail
receipt.
And you won't let me find it.
We know you don't have a receipt.
I do.
We know you don't have a receipt.
You won't let me find it.
You're gonna end up on the ground. You're not gonna be happy about it. Trust me. She's resisting, of course.
Let go.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Well, I didn't break it. All right.
Stop pulling your arms.
Yeah, because you're resisting, that's why.
Yeah, it would have been easier if you didn't.
Yep.
Let's get your search clues. She's in there for a couple other shots.
She doesn't have any belongings on her, allegedly, other than her phone.
Check her. There's stop.
You're being searched.
And you're touching me.
Yeah, you're getting pat searched, not strip searched.
You're touching me.
Yeah, that's how searching works.
You can be offended. Sit up
Okay,
off the pole,
that's fine.
Sit up off the pole.
Now we're go to the car. No, I checked her phone.
Checking units, Wegmans. Email 1011.
All right, let's go, miss. Towards the car.
Back to the car.
Email 1011. Time for.
Stop.
That'll hurt.
Stop being a child. Yeah. Good, sit. What? You want to do adult things, act like an adult.
Making it worse.
Yeah. Now she's going to get a charge.
Yeah.
Instead of just shoplifting. And I told her that. She, whatever.
I'll get the video footage from Sean.
Yeah, go grab video footage. You're going to have to sit there and scan with him and get us a store receipt, and I'll start processing. Good times.
I got her stuff on our mess.
Very good. Who has her cell phone?
I don't know. Go to your kid.
No, I know.
It's the only thing that she has.
I'll throw it in the bag.
She came in for a shopping trip. She's leaving in handcuffs. And what started as a simple shoplifting charge turned into resisting arrest on top of it. The officer told her straight up, don't resist or you'll catch a worse charge. She didn't listen. Now she's got both. Drop a comment. Do you think she made it worse for herself?